Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video using InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one. And for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If you want to remove something from our video guys, we can use the mask trick. You can use the mask feature to cover the text. And wait, let me duplicate this video. I'm going to select the video and then select the duplicate option. Okay, this one. And I'm going to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to click on switch. Okay, switch, and make sure that the second video is aligned with the first video. And then we're going to apply mask. I'm gonna go to the mask and choose the shape of the mask. I'm going to choose circle mask, okay, like this. And I'm going to take another part of this video to cover the text. I'm going to take this part, click on the check mark, and I'm going to cover the text with the mask. And you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And to make it more natural, you can adjust the lightness, or you can add filter. For me, I'm going to adjust the lightness. So I'm gonna go to the filter and select adjust. And I'm going to increase the lightness just a little bit. And now it's perfect. Okay, you can also adjust the mask using this feather. Okay, this is the feather guys that you can use to adjust your mask. Okay, done. And now the text has been removed from my video. But I know guys that this trick can't be applied to all types of video, especially when the video is complicated. It will be so hard to cover the text. But for the video like this, you can easily remove text from your video. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove text from video using InShot video editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.